Are you looking for a side hustle that can earn you $100 or more per day? Then look no further. We will be sharing with you 5 side hustles that you can start doing today, from content creation to social media marketing. So make sure to watch this video all the way to the end and make sure to like and subscribe. 1. Content writing and creation. The first ChatGPT side hustle we'll be discussing is content writing and creation. As an AI language model, I can help you create high-quality content for a variety of purposes, including blog posts, social media captions, and even email marketing campaigns. And the best part, you can earn $100 or more per day doing it. One way to get started with content writing and creation is to look for freelance opportunities on websites like Upwork or Fiverr. Many businesses and individuals are looking for talented writers to help them create engaging content for their websites, social media pages, and marketing materials. By using my language generation abilities and your creativity and writing skills, you can create compelling content that will help these businesses stand out from the competition. To increase your earning potential, you can also consider creating your own content and selling it on platforms like Medium or Substack. By leveraging my natural language processing capabilities and your knowledge and expertise in a particular topic, you can create high-quality articles, essays, or even books that people will be willing to pay for. 2. Social media management. The second ChatGPT side hustle we'll be discussing is social media management. As social media continues to grow and become an essential part of every business's marketing strategy, there's an increasing demand for talented social media managers who can help companies build and maintain their online presence. By using my language processing abilities, you can quickly create and schedule social media posts, respond to comments and messages, and track analytics to measure the success of your campaigns. And the best part? You can earn $100 or more per day doing it. To get started with social media management, you can look for freelance opportunities on platforms like Upwork or Freelancer. You can also reach out to local businesses and offer your services directly. Many small businesses don't have the time or resources to manage their social media pages effectively, so they'll be more than willing to pay for your expertise. To increase your earning potential, you can also consider creating your own social media pages and growing a following. By leveraging my language generation abilities and your creativity, you can create engaging content that will attract followers and build a strong online presence. Once you've built a sizable following, you can monetize your pages by partnering with brands for sponsored posts or promoting your own products and services. 3. Virtual assistants. The third ChatGPT side hustle we'll be discussing is virtual assistants. As more businesses move online and remote work becomes the norm, there's an increasing demand for virtual assistants who can help manage administrative tasks and keep things running smoothly. By using CHAT GPT, you can quickly respond to emails, schedule appointments, and manage calendars for busy professionals. And the best part? You can earn $100 or more per day doing it.
To get started with virtual assistants, you can look for freelance opportunities on websites like Upwork or Freelancer. You can also reach out to local businesses and offer your services directly. Many small business owners and entrepreneurs need help managing their day-to-day tasks, so they'll be more than willing to pay for your assistance. To increase your earning potential, you can also consider offering specialized services like bookkeeping or social media management in addition to your virtual assistants. By leveraging my language generation abilities and your expertise in a particular area, you can provide high-value services that clients will be wanting.
Chatbot creation and management. The fourth ChatGPT side hustle we'll be discussing is chatbot creation and management. As businesses increasingly rely on automation to handle customer inquiries and support, there's a growing demand for chatbot developers who can create and manage chatbots that can handle a variety of tasks. By using ChatGPT, you can quickly create and manage chatbots that can answer frequently asked questions, collect customer information, and even process orders.
And the best part? You can earn $100 or more per day doing it.
To get started with chatbot creation and management, you can look for freelance opportunities on websites like Upwork or Freelancer. You can also reach out to local businesses and offer your services directly. Many small businesses are looking for cost-effective ways to handle customer inquiries and support, so they'll be more than willing to pay for your expertise. To increase your earning potential, you can also consider creating your own chatbots and selling them to businesses. By leveraging ChatGPT's natural language processing abilities and your programming skills, You can create chatbots that can handle a variety of tasks and provide value to businesses across a range of industries. Language translation services. The fifth Chat GPT side hustle we'll be discussing is language translation services. As businesses become more global and international, there's an increasing demand for language translators who can help companies communicate effectively with customers and partners around the world. By using ChatGPT's abilities, you can quickly translate documents, emails, and other communications between different languages. And the best part? You can earn $100 or more per day doing it. To get started with language translation services, you can look for freelance opportunities on websites like Upwork or Freelancer. You can also reach out to local businesses and offer your services directly. Many businesses need help translating documents, websites, and other materials for international audiences, so they'll be more than willing to pay for your expertise. To increase your earning potential, you can also consider specializing in a particular industry or language. By leveraging my natural language processing capabilities and your expertise in a particular area, you can provide high-quality translation services that clients will be willing to pay a premium for. Additionally, you can also create your own translation agency and partner with other language experts to provide a wider range of services to businesses. In conclusion, by leveraging my natural language processing abilities, you can unlock a range of side hustles that can earn you $100 or more per day. Whether you're interested in content creation, social media management, chatbot creation and management, or language translation services, there's a side hustle that's perfect for you.